We finally have some very good bullish and breaking news regarding XRP and cryptocurrencies. In this video, we are going to be talking about this breaking news, and this does regard possible truce over in Europe with Russia and Ukraine. This is very, very bullish. Trump is possibly going to make those two countries make peace so that the war would be over. That is extremely bullish for cryptos. We have so much to talk about, so make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Stick around to the end of this video, and let's get into it. This is that breaking news. President Trump says he and Russian Putin agreed to visit each other's nation and to start negotiations immediately. What these negotiations will be, ladies and gentlemen, is the peace, the ending of the war between Russia and Ukraine. This will be very bullish for global markets. Massively bullish, guys. I can't even tell you how bullish it is. It's going to be very good for cryptos. This morning, we also got some bearish news. Inflation rising to 3% in January, higher than the expectations of the experts. What this is going to do, and it's just a temporary thing, and honestly, this news is has very little effect on the market, but essentially what it means and signals to the Fed is that they need to stop cutting rates and they need to maintain rates where they are at now. The market was expecting the Fed to cut a lot more rates than what they are doing, so that is bearish and to a degree shocking the market. The market did dump on this news, but has since recovered this morning. So the real effect of that news could still take place over the next several days and weeks. Some other bullish news. Fed Jerome Powell says the Federal Reserve will not block banks from serving legal crypto customers. That's very good. We want the banks to get involved with crypto, giving it to their customers, allowing customers to have ease of access to crypto trading like XRP, Bitcoin, moving it in and out, transferring it to their banks. That's going to happen, and that's going to be very big for all cryptos. If we take a look at the market here, we can see that today Bitcoin has bounced up, Ethereum has bounced up. The market is trying to bounce up, but it's still, let's just be honest here, it's just chopping back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And we need to continue to be patient because this chopping will eventually end. But ultimately, I'm still under the assumption, very confident, that we are going to get our pullback and correction with Bitcoin, and that is going to be the bottom. Bitcoin always does a big correction before moving higher. You see, this is the high here. Bitcoin chopped around and big correction here, and then the market took off. It's the big corrections, ladies and gentlemen, that lead to big pumps. And that's what I am waiting for with XRP and especially Bitcoin. We want these corrections because every single big correction after a big pump, you see it pumped up. We're kind of like right here. Once we get that correction, it's going to probably look something similar to this, maybe something to this. That is when we want to buy. That's when we want to get involved. And that's when we make massive gains by buying XRP, which is now $2.45. So this is particularly the plan that I've given to my Patreon members and the plan of how we're going to execute this trade. But essentially, this is the buy zone. We want to be buying into this level here. This level here in the range is between $1.30 and $1.60, give or take. That is the range. That is the area that I'm personally expecting XRP to get to if Bitcoin does pull back and correct to 77,000, which I am extremely confident is going to take place. I'm just not sure when that is going to take place, but I'm very confident it is. That's why you need to be in my Patreon so you can know exactly when to buy and sell. You get early into meme coins, and you're going to make a lot of money with the information that I give. If you also want to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies full-time like me, there is a school tier. I highly suggest that you join it so you can learn how to trade cryptocurrency full-time. You also want to be using ALGOSNIPER trading indicator. This will tell you exactly when to buy and sell cryptos. It is super important to use. You guys can try today for $1 at algosniper.com. Look, it gave a buy alert for XRP at 42 cents before it ripped all the way to $3.40. Make sure you guys are trading over on Blowfin. This is the platform that you need to be trading on. You can get up to a $100,000 deposit bonus. But most importantly, the reason why you guys want to be trading on here versus Robinhood or Coinbase is the fees are literally 100%, 100 times cheaper. so that you can get in and out of positions with very, very, very little fees. That's going to be it for this video. If you guys get something out of this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications, follow me on Twitter, on Instagram, and I will see you later.